Hi, Dr. Brad Conder here, talking about heel pain and plantar fasciitis. Very first thing, if you do have any questions, you want something to relief right now, what you need to do is go to our website at physicaltherapylouisville.com, go to the plantar fasciitis and heel pain page, and find a free report that would actually give you some free advice and some things you can do today to try to help this heel pain out. So why do I have heel pain every day? Well, it can be a difficult easy answer to give you because there's multiple factors. One of the factors is your shoe wear. Shoe wear is very important when it comes to everyone, because as we get older, what happens is our arch starts to fall and we get a lot of stress throughout the whole foot arch. And so really what plantar fasciitis really is when you're looking at the heel part of your foot, when your arch starts to fall, it's kind of a postural fatigue issue to where your foot can't handle the stress of putting the weight through it all day. You start to actually have the ligament and the arch spread out, and what happens is the plantar fascia goes from the front of your foot to the back, right there at the heel, gets all the stress of this condition, and so you start to get a lot of inflammation and pain. Other things that will happen is you'll get tightness in your calf, get tightness in your whole ankle. It's just kind of a cumulative effect that will happen over time. Now, one of the first things you can do to help the pain is to actually ice it. A real classic treatment is to where you get an ice bottle, you put it in your freezer, you freeze it. You can actually put it on the ground, you can massage the bottom of your foot, and you can actually help the inflammation with your foot. Also, to start stretching right away is very important. And then lastly, come in and kind of let us take a look at you. We can look at arch support, we can look at your shoes, we can tell you about why you have tightness throughout the foot, and kind of most importantly, how to kind of take care of it to get a long-lasting solution. So, hope this helped you out a little bit as far as why plantar fasciitis happens. If you have any questions, make sure to go to our website and we'll give you some free advice on plantar fasciitis. Thanks a lot.